Now that you've set up your groups in Canvas, you can assign assignments to entire groups for collaborative work. So to do this, I'm going to navigate to my course and the module where I want the group assignment to exist. I use the plus button to add an assignment just like I would any other assignment. I'll just call this sample because this is a course that's done. And I'll add the assignment. You'll notice it appears at the bottom of the module. I click on it so I can edit the details. Just like in any other assignment, I would include my directions here. I would change my point values. I can put the assignment in a group if I want. And then down here is where I'm going to actually use the group parameters. So first I want to click the checkbox that says this is a group assignment to create more options. Now I can assign grades to each student individually, but I want to speed up my grading time and just give grades to the group. So I'm going to leave that unchecked. Now I'm going to select what category of groups I want to use. In this case, I'll use the final project groups that I just set up. Once I'm done, now this assignment will be given to groups for final project. I can choose to only give it to certain final project groups, or I can assign it to everybody in their final project groups. I would also create due dates and then save and publish the assignment when I'm ready. Let me show you an example of a group assignment I already have. So here you'll notice I've got the directions. I ask one of them to make a copy of the worksheet. When they click on it, it actually force copies the worksheet for them. Then, using their Google tools, they can just share it with the members of their group, provided they know who those members are, and then they can all work on this worksheet together. I also give clear instructions that when they are done, only one member of the group should download and submit the file as a PDF. So once they've finished, they'll just go to File, Download, and then I like them to submit PDFs. So they'll choose PDF document and upload that to the activity. I also give them due dates and point values. Now you'll notice this is an assignment that's already completed. So I assign this to groups, but it'll say that there's 24 submissions graded. When you go into the speed grader, what you'll notice is that there aren't actually 24 submissions. There are just 6, but all 24 students are accounted for in those 6 groups, which is why it reads as 24, and each student in the group will be assigned the same grade. So now you'll notice when you look at these samples that they all can see their grade, so I put their assessment score there. And what's nice is that they can all see the comments and feedback, so they can do this on their own through their Canvas pages. Rather than me writing the same feedback 3 times or just grading one student and asking them to share it with the group, everybody in the group equally has access to my feedback and to their scores, which definitely speeds up the grading process for the teacher. If you have any other questions about Canvas groups, please let me know.